So we're crossing the street now, and we're going to the H&R Block, but we're not going in. But this is right located on near Cottage Street in Maine. And so now we're going to be on the other side of the street. Over on the left is St. Peter's Church. And over on the right is that Flying Church. The little wings at the top.
Oh, there's a whale over there.
Oh yeah, there's a whale on top.
I don't know, I guess this is a place to stay.
Hey.
Prairie whale. Must be rental rooms.
And we're approaching the Flying Church. And this is a side view of it.
Flyingchurch.com.
We got a gallery.
They've got
Fine art
space.
photography.
This is large restaurant space. So you want to go in there and check it out? The Pixie Boulangerie. That's French.
The Flying Church Coffee. And Salisbury Bank. St. Peter's Church. We're on Rosetta Street in Maine. Laundromat, and we're closed. Ride cleaners. Here's the United States Post Office. Now hiring.
My boys?
Yeah.
Yeah, Vin's busy, you know, being a teenager. And
Crazy.
he'd like to make sure, he likes
Oh, Verizon telephone box. No telephone. Yanked it out. A few people out today walking around.
Another person sitting outside of the
Berkshire Bank. It's now 12:52. Oh, that goes way back there. So, X marks the spot for the Berkshire Bank ATM, and through that door. And it looks like there's a bookstore coming up.
Look at this flower.
Yeah, it is. Something but out. Oh, purple. This looks like the main entrance to the bank. 9 to 4. Oh, extra tea. And this is a Boho Exchange. New and used clothing. Open. Got a little garden here.
I'll go see over there.
With roses and stuff. And it looks like a bookstore. So, there's a bookstore running next to it. Right to the left. So if Nana wants to walk up here, check out this bookstore. I mean the tea shop. This is the white building. And this goes in quite a ways. This yellow building. Tea House Gifts. Across the street. Looks like this van belongs to it. Extra Special Tea. That's what the EST stands for. Looks like some sort of artwork here. And another one. Looks like something where you put direction this way, that way. Another one right here. Oh, that looks like a musical note. That's what this is. Back in front of the Boho Exchange.
New and used clothing.
That was the First Congregational Church ringing the bell across the street. It's 1 o'clock. Yeah, 1 bell. So this is a car hardware store.
That's probably where he came to get the knife.
Lawnmowers.
He came to get the knife and the thing, probably. He bought the expensive stuff.
Got a place here with columns.
What is that?
In here. Groceries. Cheese Monte and grocery. In this place. 1916. This side. The other side's got another number. 1869 on the other side. I don't know what the two numbers are. I'm too close then. I'll adjust my camera. Okay. It's better. I'm not sure what this says. Looks like a food place. Oh, go ahead and Norton. Groceries, fine wine, liquor, deli.
Yeah, the Boar's Head Deli. You know, the meats, the Boar's Head.
So this is the Miller Pub. Let's get the other part of it. They look like the old-fashioned scale. Old-fashioned stuff.
I don't know if this is the one that I got the coupon, or if it's the one across the way.
The GB Eats. Lunch, dinner, baked goods, breakfast. Yes, we are open. Different things here. Cinema. Guess you have to go in for this. So they got different things, places here. Go in through these doors.
Hey, they're speaking of a triplex cinema over here. Where is
Yeah.
the cinema? Inside there?
Yeah. Yeah, so this is the cinema. soon. So what's the cinema? I see bars and pubs.